Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show how to use the project archiving feature. Project archiving helps keep your workspace clean and organized by removing completed projects from your active view. You can archive a project in two ways, either through the More Actions menu option or directly from the project details using the Archive option. Click Archive Project to hide the project from all screens in the platform. It will now be stored on the Archive page, which you can access from the More Actions menu in the Activity Center header. You will only see projects you have permission to delete or archive. The Archive page shows basic information about the archive project and allows you to sort, view details, delete, and unarchive them. Open the details of an archive project to see basic information and the project history. Attachments and messages will not be available. To view full details, you'll need to unarchive the project. After unarchiving, you can find it back in the Activity Center. If you have a lot of completed projects to archive, you can archive them in bulk. Simply click on Selection Mode, check the projects you want to archive, and click Archive. You can also schedule auto-archive for projects by selecting an inactivity period in the company settings under Advanced Settings. Any project that hasn't had any end-user actions during that time will be automatically archived. When it comes to reporting, you'll have the option to include both active and archived projects. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorials.